If you're a high-earning professional, entrepreneur, or executive, you already know you should own investment real estate, but life is busy, and real estate is complicated. Everyone faces the same overwhelming challenges when trying to build a real estate portfolio alone, no matter the background, career, or income. Endless listings, unreliable contractors, financing headaches, missed tax strategies, cash flow that disappears into thin air. Brown Diamond Concierge is a private, done-for-you real estate advisory for modern wealth builders. Your strategy, your sourcing, your underwriting, your financing, your contractors, your renovations, your tenants, your tax optimization, your reporting, your long-term wealth architecture. Our team brings more than 100 years and $4 billion plus of combined real estate experience. Led by a team who invests in real estate themselves. We treat your portfolio like our own. We accept a limited number of clients each year. Not everyone is a fit, not because of status, but because of alignment and readiness. Your portfolio unfolds on your timeline, your liquidity, and your legacy goals. If you want the income, the tax strategy, and the protection of real estate without managing any of the stress, this is your invitation. Request a private discovery call. Brown Diamond Concierge.